What's going on, guys? Welcome to another trading video. Today's trading was a bit weird, but we pulled through at the end of it. Yeah, we'll get into that in a bit. I just wanted to say, I'm really thankful for you guys. I didn't expect my videos to get any views at all, honestly, and let alone so many comments and likes and views and new followers as well. So it is really awesome to see people watching and learning and helping each other out. I'm trying to respond to every comment. Every comment is so meaningful to me because people actually get to the video and get the point and then respond from the heart, and that's what I'm trying to do back when I reply as well. And yeah, that's about it. At the end of the video, I have more of a recap recap of the charts and stuff. And yeah, thank you guys again for all the support. It really made my day. I still can't believe it. So all right, let's get right into it. ES is retrace. Oh, is ES gonna retrace or inverse? Because that's looking like we are inversing. But NQ retrace, perfect retrace.
Order filled.
And we'll put our stop above this, and we'll put the take profit down to just equilibrium for now. Oh, yes, isn't going. NQ. Oh, yes, just retraced. Or NQ just retraced only. Yes. Oh, no, that's not good. That's not good at all. NQ is getting a better retracement right now. Let's see if we inverse or not. We'll just go a little bit higher than that for now. See, we're retracing. Let's look at yes. Ooh, not good. Not good at all. NQ. Retracing. If we inverse, I'll just close the trade. If we inverse, I'll close the trade. We inverse, but not a lot. What about ES? I was hoping for, oh yeah, look at that. That's really bullish. But we're just taking out this. If we create this fair value gap while inversing this gap, then I'll close it. So we just have to create this fair value gap here. Then I'll be out. Unless we get stopped out. Ooh.
Order filled.
There it is. Got stopped out, but that's okay. God damn it, guys. I need some music or something. I'm bored out of the mind. Alright, market started to sell off. We're going to see how far it goes. Create this big fair value gap. If this candle turns red, let's see ES. Oh my god, yeah, ES just sweeping everything. Continuing lower, NQ. Let's see, is NQ going to start to sell off too? We're displacing below lows by a lot. Let's see, we're displacing. Yeah, it's time. The algorithm is selling off.
Order filled.
We'll put my stop loss here in this rebalance. Uh-oh. Let's look back on the 1 minute. I want to create this fair value gap. Let's go to ES, see what ES is doing. ES is continuing lower. Could take these out, and these two here are good. NQ. This would have been a better entry for me. It's okay. Should have been more patient. I would have only been out 300 if we worked out of this, but it's fine. Yes, gets into the fair value gap, respects it. That's awesome. NQ. Consolidating again? If we don't see this candle get closure above, like below here, I'm gonna get out. Okay, NQ. He's getting closure. Yep, we're selling off quick here. I think having my stop loss at these lows is good. This would be the first low here that I want to see get displaced through, and right now it's 354. Let's go to ES, see what ES is doing. ES is selling off even quicker. Let's see how it displaces through this or not. Let's see if ES can displace through these lows. Okay, we're just wicking. We're getting a little bit of liquidity reaction out of here. If we stay red, we're going to keep going. Okay, let's go to NQ. Once we get to 200, I'm going to move my... Oh, I can... If this candle closes here, I can move my stop loss here, because there's a new fair value gap here. And I might even be able to get to the 50% mark of the day. I think having my lows here at this fair value gap, I might take profit here at this fair value gap. Okay, we're at $200. Let's see how the candle closes. We're at the 25% mark here. Let's look for a 15-minute fair value gap to retrace into. We have this one down here, this order block here. We're starting to displace quickly. Market's going to close in 10-15 minutes. We created a 5-minute, almost 5-minute fair value gap. We have 5 more minutes to create it for. And it looks like we're going to, let's see, ES. How did ES react? We're displacing between lows. Next low is here, and this is the 11 a.m. low. Let's go to NQ. 11 a.m. low is here. Passed it already, so next lows are 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. So beginning of 10 a.m. is the lows that it looks like ES is targeting here, and having my take profit at the fair value gap, maybe even a lot of pips above it, just to be sure. We're at 400. Let's move our stop loss to break even due to the algorithm. Might create a new fair value gap here, which would validate our stop loss there. Let's see ES. ES is wicking now, past this low here. Look at that open of this candle. It opened even lower. Let's go back to NQ. NQ did the same thing. We created a volume imbalance. This is very, very bearish. This is very, very good for us. I wonder how much... Well, we have this low here. This will be a good low to take, but I'm interested in the fair value gap retracement. So I think it's going to draw there. We're getting a bit of retracement right now. We can move our stop loss above this fair value gap here because we have 2. We're wicking into there. We immediately filled the volume imbalance. Let's go back to ES, see what's going on here. ES is also retracing to fair value gap. Let's see where this candle closes here. ES just took out this. Next lows are these kind of equal lows here from 11 and 1043. Let's see, are we going to close red or green? We close a doji candle. That's good. Thank you. Let's see, we're keeping going down. We didn't get a doji on here. We just got a retracement candle here. Let's see if we close below it or not. I don't want to inverse this fair value gap here. We wick through it. Let's go to the 5-minute. We have candle closures here, lows here, fair value gap here. Let's go to ES on the 5-minute. ES on the 5-minute isn't going that far, but we've been consolidating for a long time. NQ hasn't. NQ's been slightly going upwards here. Might get stopped out, but it's fine. We're going to be break even. We're going down here. Let's see, 4 o'clock's about to hit. I'm expecting some really strong movements at 4 o'clock. Let's see, are we going to close below these lows and continue staying bearish? We have a couple seconds, like 30 seconds till we get there. As long as we don't inverse this. If we inverse this, I'll get out, but as long as we don't inverse this, we'll be fine. Let's see, I'm going to stick here. I want a strong inversion too if we get out. I don't want just some weak one maybe right out there. Let's see, oh, ooh, some deeper retracement there. Stop loss is above, so we look at that. Wicking through the fair value gap. No inversion. Market's panicking. Strong bearish flow. Market is selling off quick. We still have this 5-minute fair value gap that can form. We formed this big fair value gap here. I wonder how ES is looking. ES is doing the same, almost entering this hourly fair value gap. I believe that's an hourly fair value gap. No, hourly fair value gap starts here. I don't know what I boxed there. New hour starts. Strong displacement on the hourly. Let's go back to NQ. NQ hourly also strong. NQ displacement. See the 1-minute price action. We wick through. We're still bearish, but we're kind of consolidating with all these wicks. Wicks are doing damage here. This is interesting. Interesting stuff. I don't think, so this wick was really strong up here. Having my stop loss maybe a couple ticks above it here.
If it goes past this wick, it's like this was a strong movement right at 3:59, right before 4 o'clock. So I think that's the biggest retracement we're going to get on this move, and having it a couple ticks above is okay. Let's see. I'm pretty sure top step requires all trades be exited out of at 4:10, so we have 5 minutes to take profit, or we're going to get out of the trade. It looks like we're kind of slowing down here. Let's go to ES. ES is also kind of slowing down, but we have these to take out. Let's go to NQ. NQ is also selling off quick. Let's see, can we close below this this wick here? And the 359 wick. Looks like we're staying bearish here. Let's go to the hourly just so I can mark out the range better. I already marked out the range. So yeah, just wicking into the fair value gap, or even just right before it. We're at these hourly closes here. Let's mark this hourly close, see if we can displace through it on the 1 minute. And I'll mark this in purple because purple is a different color than green and red. Looks like we're going to continue moving downwards. Let's go to ES. ES is also kind of getting a little bit of a retracement again. Closing below here. Yes, I feel like ES has to go take down these lows, but we'll see. Looks like we're coming back up a bit. That's alright. Not really worried because our stop loss is set, so we're good. One thing that's hard mentally is when your stop loss gets taken out, and then it goes to where your take profit would be. So that's something mentally challenging, but understanding that in some scenarios, it doesn't actually, in some scenarios, it doesn't always hit the stop loss and then go back down. Most of the time, it hits your stop loss, goes back up, and you would have lost more money. I don't want to see fair value gap form here, so immediately rebalancing would be good. I'm really talking fast here. I've been waiting for a good setup all day, on and off recording. I have like 10 fucking recordings all throughout the day. I had to shovel snow as well, but this is pretty good. Now we stay patient. We have 5 more minutes to either get out or close the trade out. Kind of consolidating here. So top step doesn't allow you to trade past 4:10 on New York hours, so they'll auto close my position or flatten it. And we only got 5 more minutes, so I might just move my stop or my take profit here to see if we can get a take profit before 4:10. I don't want to be auto closed out. Let's see. No fair value gap forms. Kind of getting a small retracement. Is yes moving downwards? Yes, yes, it's continuing to move downwards. NQ coming down still. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave my take profit there. Keep it there because we only have 4 minutes and wait, 3 minutes and 30 seconds to take profit. We actually might even just grade this wick and do 50% of this wick. Let's grade the wick here and go 50%, maybe a little bit above here. Oh, I'm getting some bigger retracement here. Let's not inverse this gap, please. If we do, I'm just going to get out the trade already, but no new gaps are forming. And ES is also retracing, but it looks more downhill for ES and NQ. We closed and we opened below the close of that candle. Still pretty bearish. Uh-oh. Are we going to inverse this? We got 3 minutes till... If we inverse, I'm closing, it's fine. But we got 3 minutes till the trade's out. 30 seconds till this candle closes. 20 seconds, looks like we're not. Are we going to inverse that? Let's look on ES, see if we did anything there. Yeah, ES is just wicking above, it's not even going, so that's good news for NQ. I don't know, we're kind of breaking structure to the upside now, but remember this wick is here. And we got 2 minutes till this position closes. No fair value gaps. And if we're in a consolidation range here, we're likely to see price move down to the equilibrium of the consolidation. And equilibrium's right here. We'll put it at 75% equilibrium. We're running short on time. We got 1 minute till we have to close the position. And I'm not going to close it right at the minute, just so, you know, it's not right at that point, but... Okay, last minute here. Can we take profit in the last minute of top step trading hours? I guess we should just put it at the 50% for now, and then once it hits 45 seconds, I'm going to close the position. 21, 22, 23, 24. Look at that. Come on, it's alright. Crazy, because we can't trade on top step for any later, so it's all good. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. And yeah, we're out of here.
Order filled.
So we're not allowed to be...
The market is closed.
Oh yeah, market's closed right there, and look what happens right after it closes. It comes down. It would have hit, but it's fine. Honestly, I'm happy that, you know, I salvaged a little something from the day, but you know, these things usually happen at the end of the day where the market sells off, and we caught it pretty good. We broke structure, kind of came down, and right at, what time was it? 3:50, market started to displace, and that's when I got in. Alright, so this is the end of the video. This is just the recap of the trades that happened today and what I learned. So going into the day, we created this big imbalance here and filled it right away during Asian opening, while taking out previous London and New York lows here and here. Takes out the lows and starts to reverse. Then London session starts at 3 a.m. right here, and it takes out more liquidity here. So all of these equal lows here get taken out, and so do these lows here also get taken out, and we start to reverse. Then during New York session, right here, we get a really short-term manipulation of these lows here created during the pre-market, and we continue off of this manipulation for bullish flow. So when I went short here, I honestly shouldn't have. I should have went with the bias, continuing off of London manipulation into bullish order flow, and I should have just stayed. I should have tried to went bullish earlier, and I was married to a bias, which is something that you don't want to be. And you want to be able to switch your mind on the dot. Explaining this trade, I see we create this imbalance here, and then we get a close off of here. We come up, kind of retrace into it, but I get stopped out with a losing trade. And then I was very patient till the end of the day, where we started to sell off. And typically during like the last couple minutes, it could be the last hour, it could be even during the AM session. When you have a big run, the market would want to rebalance. So we kind of start breaking structure here, and once I saw the market start to displace, I immediately went short, and that's where I caught the winning trade here. But the things I learned from the losing trade is that I should have went with the bias from the start. I should have went with the bullish bias. We're continuing off of bullish days, and I should have stayed bullish. And I was afraid that staying bullish after taking out all these highs here, that we would get a reversal. And so I saw like some of these highs get taken and these highs gets taken, and I'm like, all right, I think now we're going to catch a reversal, but we didn't. And it's all right. You can't win 100% of the trades, and you just got to keep moving on. And so I literally just waited this whole time until the market started to sell off. Very patient, no trades within this block, and yeah, I was literally just sitting and watching the market as it consolidated here on NQ and on ES. And ES looks also very similar. ES had a little bit of a bigger sell-off here, right up until Asian session open. And now Asian session is running for the highs. But yeah, that's it. So again, I appreciate you guys for your support in my journey. I appreciate every one of you that watch, comment, like, and everything. And I'm gonna try to respond to every comment because it is really meaningful to me. And thank you guys again. I'll be posting again tomorrow. And see ya.